No. No, stay there. Stay there. Okay, mukbang tayo, guys. This is dragon. Ano to? This is Tempura Dragon Maki. This is Maki California 2. And we have red iced tea. Red iced tea. Naka-sale every Sunday sa Food Panda. Food Panda. So, meron kaming discount of 725 total. Delivery fee of 19 pesos. 20% off 145. So, binayaran lang namin is 599. Ooh. No. No. Person, no.
No.
No. Stay there. Stay there. Wait for your turn. Okay, guys. Ang sarap-sarap nitong dragon.
No, me. No. Baka naman.
Dragon. Ang sarap-sarap ng Dragon Maki. It has, what's inside? It has shrimp. Ayan. Ito laman niya, oh, guys. Meron siyang shrimp sa loob. Ayan. Dragon Maki can only buy it from Tokyo. This is Tokyo. Thank you, Tokyo. And then this one. Thank you, Food Panda. Thank you, Tokyo. What can you say, babe?
Sarap.
Masarap siya. You like it? No, picnic.
No.
Dito kami every Sunday. We used to eat na meron kaming bonding. We have bonding with Mia. Dito lang kami sa room eating our favorite food. Okay, guys. Bye. Sarap eh. You please try it. Anong masasabi mo sa juice nila? Hindi dyan anak. Open it. No! Person, no! Ah!